In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 plus real Facebook followers in 24 hours or less. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and easily and without any fluff. So if you could please take a moment to hit that subscribe button below this video, it would really help me out. With that said, let's get started. We're going to come over to the website shoutcart.com and we're going to go to Facebook over here once you've created a free account. So click on Facebook and we're going to be able to see all of the different people that are going to do a shout out for you on Facebook. This person here has 1.3 million followers and he's only charging $10 for a shout out. So let's click into him, and on the left hand column here you can select your category. So if your category is business or pets or something like that, you would select that first and then you would go in and purchase from that person. So you can do a permanent post on the influencer's feed, you can add a comment, or you can get an influencer will follow you for $10. So those are the different offers that they have in place. And you can come down here and see the age group, the average likes per post, the average audience, the average if it's male or female. So a permanent post with a link back to your Facebook page is $10, and you can see the reviews down here. They have 4 5-star reviews, but they also have 1 negative review, and you'll be able to see what the reviews are saying here. Very fast and efficient, but this person here is saying not a single click, so you might want to go back, check out someone else. This person here, let me see. This person here is $25 for 4.9 million followers, so you can click in here. And you can see here a permanent post that will stay on the influencer's feed permanently. So you can advertise either your own Facebook account or you can advertise a product on there as well. And you can read up all about here as well. They do not post any content like this. And you can see their reviews. They've got some negative reviews, but they've got 6 5-star reviews. So that is how you can get someone to post to advertise your Facebook page or your group or your product or service or anything like that on someone else's Facebook account who has, 4.9 million followers on Facebook. So that's it for this video, guys. If you could please take a moment to hit the subscribe button below this video, it would really help me out, and thank you again for checking out this